Hi, my name is Taylor from Capital Veneering, and today it's incredible to be out at the Strathnairn Charity House. Joe from Build Like a Girl asked me if me at Capital Veneering would like to be a part of this project. It's something really close to my heart because as a female that's a qualified tradesperson, it's been not always a pleasant experience for me in my apprenticeship into where I am now. But Capital Veneering were so supportive of me and my development, and they wanted to get on this as soon as they could. So I'm sort of on it as the project manager, but everyone at Capital Veneering has been a part of this and we all feel very passionately about it.
We are a custom joinery company located in Queanbeyan. So we take the plans from the architect and we do our own drawings, shop drawings for approval, and then we go into manufacture. So everything's custom, made to suit the space and the specifications.
So Capital Veneering have donated all of the joinery to the project. So this includes kitchen, kitchenette, laundry, robes, entertainment units, studies, just to mention a few. And the great thing is being that most of our staff have given their own time as well. It's incredible to be out here, and on top of that, even though I've been in the industry for 10 years now, I'm making friends and connections out here as well. So even for us more established females out here on site, it's been incredible to build ongoing relationships. So this project has been as incredible for the younger girls on site as it is for us more established women.